So melting is the process of changing something from a solid into a liquid, and it's the opposite of freezing. So when the temperature rises, it gets hotter and the solid matter melts. The particles in the solid then loosen their bond to each other and then are able to move more freely around each other. So the matter is then liquid and no longer solid. But it's important to remember that melting is the process of changing a solid back into a liquid. So some solids cannot be changed into a liquid, and when they're heated up, they have a completely different reaction to the heat. For example, paper will burn when heated, so therefore cannot be melted. Now, the temperature at which something begins to melt is called its melting point. Now, ice is the solid version of water, and the melting point for ice or water is 0 degrees. Other solids have very different melting points. For example, glass melts at an extremely high temperature, between 700 degrees and 800 degrees. But metals will have different melting points. One example is lead. Lead melts at a temperature of about 327.5 degrees.